What's up, unicorns? Welcome back to the music room. In this video, you're going to watch me very quickly unbox, tune, and hang all of our brand new ukuleles. These ukuleles were a gift from the Lanikai team based in Tennessee. In November, got the idea that it'd be fun to start a teacher's Instagram page. You can find me at that page at UH_unicorns_rock. Unicorns do rock, but unicorns happen to be the mascot of the school that I work at. In November, I had posted some pictures of the Lanikai instruments that I personally own and some that my school has purchased for me to use in the classroom. A little bit later that month, I started posting videos of myself playing and singing using those instruments, and I blame Bernadette from Bernadette Teaches Music for that. I had created this account because I wanted to connect with other music educators and really had no other intention for that account. It was just to post tips and tricks that I experienced that I thought might be more helpful to new teachers or maybe even veteran teachers would get some ideas. And then I was using the account too for my own networking so that I could get some tips and tricks from experienced teachers or even tips and tricks from new teachers. Everybody's got different ideas. I never in a million years thought it would kind of take me to where I'm at right now. In December, the Lanikai team reached out to me and asked a little bit about myself and my school and what I do in the classroom with the students. They had seen a picture of my ukulele wall, and I had at that time had 30 ukuleles from another brand, and they were all mixed and matched in different colors, and it was kind of a hot mess, if we're being honest. And they had asked me at the time, is that on purpose? Would you like to have something that all looks the same? Are you ready for an upgrade? Are your students ready for an upgrade? And when a company reaches out to you with the most generous offer, the answer is yes, please, and thank you. So we started working with Lanikai, and we received 35 brand new concert-sized ukuleles. So anybody who's closely watching what's going on here on the wall, trust me, I have anxiety every time I look at this wall now because the wall was created for the wall was created for soprano-sized ukuleles. So I am looking at this wall with these larger instruments and kind of cringing at how they all really do not fit. And I am using command hooks to hang them, which trust me, I know is not ideal. Hear me out. When I started the ukulele program about 5 years ago, I bought 7 ukuleles with my school budget, and I really just had intended for it to be a station kind of a thing, like when I was going to do little stations with my students, like reward stations or practicing for assessments. And I was really, really at that time looking at an escape, if you will, from teaching the recorder. I do understand the importance of recorder. I've been teaching for 17 years, and I spent about 15 of those years teaching recorder. I understand its value and its importance, but it always broke my heart a little bit watching students go from so excited to learn the recorder to almost immediate frustration at not being able to play it the right way, not being able to play it accurately and successfully, and just the heartbreak that they would experience when we would have to do playing assessments because maybe the kid next to them played a woodwind instrument in 4th grade or in 5th grade, and they had more experience with it, and they were getting better at it, and it's a frustrating instrument. Not to mention the god-awful sound that it makes when 25 kids are playing all at the same time. That's just no. So anyway, I was looking forward to changing it up, and I chose ukuleles, and when I decided, hey, this is something I really like, the kids really like this, it's fun to teach, it's really rewarding, I decided to buy more. So I ended up with 30 ukuleles, and I needed a place to store them with easy access because I didn't want to have students putting them back in boxes and unboxing them for every single use. Things just don't get used that way. So if they're out in the open where children can go up, reach it, grab it, and sit down with it, they're more likely to be used. And I'm more likely to incorporate them in my lessons because they're easily accessible. So my easy solution to this was command hooks. Easy peasy. It worked out really, really well, and it was wonderful. Now, of course, it looks not awesome, and they really are not fitting very well, which is a little frustrating. But we are getting a brand new school built, and when we move to that brand new building in a couple of years, I will have a specially designed wall for ukuleles with specific ukulele hangers, like specific for the instrument, which is going to be pretty great. But anyway, this account is going to be devoted to a couple of different things, one of them being ukulele instruction. So if you are a music teacher and are interested in learning more about starting a program at your school, please feel free to reach out to me, whether on Instagram or here. I'm happy to talk about my journey with the ukulele in the classroom, and I'm really, really hoping that you get the chance to try out a program of your own in your own school. Thanks for stopping by, everyone. I'll catch you next time. Bye.